Hello everyone, I'm here with another new video which is called Blur or Tripping Look. Before we go ahead with the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification on future videos. So here you can see what it is called as blur or a tripping kind of a makeup look. It was fun and very challenging to create this look. So let's get started on how I created this look. In the first place, I have prepped her skin with moisturizer and a primer, and the next step would be to apply the foundation. Here my model doesn't have any kind of a discoloration in her skin, so we do not need any kind of a concealer or a neutralizer, so I'm directly going with a foundation. I have used a foundation from khol in shade D4 and a compact from Maybelline. Now her base is ready. To make a blur look, I have given a basic makeup on her complete face, starting with a blush after the base and a lip filler with Wet n Wild pink shade. I have used a matte finish here because to create a blur look I wanted more of a matte finished lip color than a shimmery or a sheen kind of a lip shade. To fill the eyelids I have used a brown and a plum shade, and the palette is from I Love Revolution and filled tinge of a copper to the middle of the eyelid. Here I have used a khol from Miss Claire and filling her eyebrows. For this look I really wanted a dark and sharp eyebrow, so that's how I'm using a khol here, and I'm also making a rough sketch of the eye. To make the blur look, here I have used two extra eyes, kind of a illusion makeup, and one I have created in between the eyes and the other one on the corner of the eyebrow. This is just a rough sketch. I'm just drawing with a khol and the detail will be shown later. To create a illusion effect, here I am going to contour a mask kind of a effect by choosing 1/3 of the face, and the rest of the remaining face I will be blending with a gray and a black eyeshadow just shown in the picture from the palette Revolution London. I have used a fluffy brush to create this look and also taken the complete hairline, also filled with the eyeshadow. So the blending is very important, so I have blended it well so that it should look completely as a blurred mask on the face. Once the blending is done, we will go ahead with creating the blur look for the lips. Now to create this lip, again I have used a lip pencil. This is to draw an outline and create a sketch before we go ahead with a detailed look. I have taken a pink shade which is quite similar to the lip shade that I have used, and as I said earlier, I have used a matte finish lipstick because I would be doing a lip on her skin, on her cheeks, so I do not want any kind of a shimmer or a sheen or moist kind of lipstick so that it would become messy later. Matte will stick in the same place for very long time. So after filling it with a lip pencil, I have taken the same lipstick and just darken a bit. Now by using a kajal pencil, and also I have used a brown pencil here to create an outline and also to give a depth. Once I have created the depth with the pencil, I have used a brown shade of a eyeshadow just to create a embossed kind of a feel, so that you can literally see as natural lips as possible with a brown eyeshadow on the corners of the lips which are drawn on her cheeks. So you can see that the detailing is very important when you create such kind of a look. It did take a very long time to create for the lip, and I have taken quite a break to make this kind of a look. So here the next step would be to go ahead and create the nose, which was very challenging at the beginning, and as I told you, we had to take a break, otherwise you will also give a lot of stress to your eyes. To create an illusion of 2 to 3 nose on her cheek, I have used a khol to draw the sharp lines, and I have used a gray shade and a brown shade from a Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, and also I have used a highlighter so that wherever I want to make it appear as a real, the narrow of the nose, I have used a highlighter, and whichever part I wanted to make it look more of a nostril and more of an embossed feel, I have used a thin brush and used a brown shade from Juvia's Place palette and slightly given a shadow kind of a feel, so that it looks exactly like a nostril that is embossed. Now I have created 4 nostrils here by using the same technique, and just to give a highlight on this, I have used a liquid liner just on the corner wherever I wanted a sharp line of the nostril. And along with this, I have also created a cupid bow just by using the liner and the highlighter from the Krylon palette, so that you can see the lip, the cupid bow and the nose, which is ready, and you will be able to see almost the blur kind of a effect on her face. I have made much more videos on bridal makeup and beauty hacks and a skincare that you can do it at your home. Please do check out my channel and do watch the other videos and share it to your friends. Your support would mean a lot. So here I have created the eyes. This is again very challenging and a fun part. To create the eye, I have used a kohl and a liquid liner both, and using this I'm doing a liner and a tear line, and I've also created a eyeball with kohl. Now to make it much more realistic, I have used a brown shade to the lens, and I have also created a brown eyeshadow to the tight line and the tear line to create an embossed kind of a feel that would make it appear more natural. So the white part of the eyes, which is called as sclera, I am going to fill the white part by using a white water paint, and also I am going to mix a slight foundation from Krylon. Again, the blending is very important to make it appear more natural. So along with that, to take care of the details, I have used a foundation and a empty thin brush to correct the corners, and I have also done the eyebrows by using a same kajal pencil. The eyebrows are in between 2 real eyebrows, and another eyebrow is at the corner of the eyebrow, one of the eyebrow. Now to make the natural eyes also look very big, here I have used a same white water paint on her lower lash line so that it looks bigger, and to cover that part I have used another black liner below the white waterline. Now to make the fourth eye, I mean the second eye in the creation, as you see the two eyes are already natural. So the second eye that I have been creating on one of the corners of the eyebrow, and using the same technique which I have used earlier. For the sclera, I have used a white water paint and just highlighted the tight line and the lower lash line by using a kajal and a liner, and filling the lens with a kajal and a brown eye pencil. Now to give a slight highlight on the lens, I have used a single dot of white paint and blend it very well. Now here you can see the complete look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I did enjoy creating this look as well. Please do follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is makeup by Be Bright, and do subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching.